Today we're breaking down why this 165 game-changing TV with ULED and mini LED TV is the best performance TV on the market. What if your next TV wasn't just bigger, but smarter, faster, brighter, and better for everything you do? Whether you're crushing the competition in your favorite game or watching your team take it to the championships, this Hisense U7 series is here to change the way you see it all. Let's go ahead and start with the basics. The Hisense U7 series is built for people who want it all. They want gaming, sports, movies, and smart features without compromising any performance. You're getting mini LED Pro backlighting, up to 3000 nits peak brightness, 3000 local dimming zones, 165Hz native refresh rate, a powerful high view AI engine Pro, and a support for all major HDR formats. All wrapped up in a sleek design and running Google TV with smart voice controls and sizes from 55-inch all the way up to 100 inches. But to make it more simple, let's just go ahead and compare it to what most TVs offer nowadays in this price range. In backlighting, the Hisense U7 has mini LED Pro, and standard 4K TVs usually have an HLED or basic LED. In terms of brightness, the Hisense U7 has up to 3000 nits in comparison to the standard 4K TV with 300 up to 600 nits. Moving on to refresh rate, the Hisense U7 series is a native 165Hz in comparison to standard 4K TVs that offer 60 to 120Hz max. In the gaming tech, the Hisense U7 series gives you a Game Mode Ultra, FreeSync Premium Pro, and a game bar. The standard 4K TV just gives you a basic gaming mode. Moving on to the sound, the Hisense U7 series has a 212 multi-channel plus the Dolby Atmos. The standard 4K TV, it just has a basic 2.0 stereo. And now onto the colors, the Hisense U7 series has a QLED and Pantone validated in comparison to the standard 4K TV that just offers a basic RGB. Now the HDR support, the Hisense U7 series offers the Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10 Plus, and Technicolor HDR. The standard 4K TV just offers HDR10 only and maybe. In terms of smart platforms, the Hisense U7 series offers you Google TV and voice remote in comparison to a standard 4K TV, and that offers you Android or any proprietary operating